Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the bangs only on like a hairstyle and dress to impress. So go to the salon and sit down here. So for instance, I only want to use like the bangs that a hair has. So I'm just going to, for instance, select this one. I only want the front piece. Select this toggle button and select bangs only. Actually really like this color. Then I can now choose like a different hairstyle. For instance, this one or like maybe this one. Make sure you color it in the same though as the rest of your hair, so it doesn't look like weird. But as you can see now it looks like this. But have one that has no bangs. Okay, you can also go to the hair and select no bangs, so it looks like this. That is super cute actually. I really like this hair. Might change the hair tie color. Does it really matter? Okay, it does. But that is it. That's how you can combine hair on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.